All right, here we go again. Time is 7:21, Sunday, August 10th. Yeah, tell me about it. Sure enough, it never fails. Every time my wife opens the garage, they go wild, and I told her not to leave them down here. But anyway, here we go. Chris Bird has Australia, England, and Chile. Again, if any of these are wrong, I will catch it, but just shoot me an email. But I do check it on eBay before I send them out. So Chris has Colombia and Korea. Kachuras has Spain, Cameroon, Belgium, and Bosnia. Clem132 has Switzerland, Russia, Ivory Coast, Honduras, and Ghana. Veg Jalm has Portugal, Mexico, and Costa Rica. Melep926 has Germany, Iran, Nigeria, and Croatia. Blonde Princess has Brazil, Algeria, and Japan. KNG Bird has USA, Netherlands, and Greece. JT3 Uruguay. Mon has France. Paul has Ecuador. Felix Fear Argentina. And Machili0771 has Italy. Good luck, everybody. Sure enough, scissors have gone missing. I'm gonna have to try. And serial number, and we're doing boxes 4, 5, and 6. And serial number on this one is 8732. Oops, sorry. Sorry guys, my camera just went limp here. Sorry guys, my camera just, I don't know what the heck happened here. Alright, hopefully that'll hold up. A red Closa aerial assault. Alright, here we go. Well, red card. Oh, is it red or pink? Red, purple. Let's see here. It's a red. Red, Alexander Song for Cameroon. And this one is numbered 084 of 149. Get that one some clothing. Who's got Cameroon? Kachuras. Jesus has Cameroon. There you go. And since this is an eBay break, all the base cards get sorted and shipped as well as the hits. So you will get all the cards from your countries. Chile. Team card. Guardians, Spain, Iker Casillas. Fabio Coentrão of Portugal. Messi base. Yeah, Paul, I saw that's ended up with Ecuador, huh? Cup captains, Thiago Silva. A black 1 of 1. Wow. Pretty nice. We've yet to hit a 2-auto box yet. I've heard of all kinds of people getting 2-auto boxes. Netfinders, Higuain. I don't know if San Jose's in here. San Jose had bought like 3 boxes and 2 of them had 2 autos. They said, I've gone through 23 cases and I've yet to open a single box that had 2 autos in it. So Germany, Marco Reus. Yeah, with those blacks, no matter what they sell, doesn't matter who they are. You know, I think pretty much any black is, you know, guaranteed to bring you a couple $100. Diego Benaglio. I don't know. I haven't really seen any blacks. For sure, haven't seen any blacks sell for under 100. I would imagine anything black has to be a couple $100. Cub captains, Claudio Bravo. World Cup stars, Gerard Piqué of Spain. Ricardo Montolivo of Italia, red, white, and gold prism. And again, in yesterday's first 3 boxes of this case, we hit a Wesley Schneider auto and not much else. So hopefully these 3 boxes will be a lot better. We have yet to hit any gold or green cards and only 1 auto. So hopefully we should be hitting 2 in these to get back on the auto count. Guardians, Julio Cesar of Brazil. Luis Figo of Portugal. I guess it depends on if we can fill it. Netfinders, Eden Zeko of Bosnia. If we've got enough people in here that want to do a 6-boxer, I guess, yeah, that's a possibility. If we get done with this and you guys want to do it right after, I don't have a lot of time, but I probably have enough time to do the 6-boxer if we get to it right afterwards. Gianluigi Buffon of Italia. Sorry, give me 1 sec, guys. All base. Not necessarily. I mean, these are, if we don't do them today, then they're going on eBay. So it just depends. They're the last 6 boxes in this case. I wasn't planning on, I haven't put the auctions up. I wasn't planning on going on eBay tomorrow. I will probably, there we go. I think that's an auto. Yep, that looks like an auto there. So we got an auto. If we don't sell them right after this, then yes, they will go up on eBay probably on Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, we got a blue. It is a World Cup Stars. Let's see who it is. It is a Franck Ribéry, World Cup Stars for France. Who's got France? Ooh, Mon comes in with only France and gets a little hit there. Yeah, I love these World Cup Stars cards. That's one of the I'm not. Well, I'm trying to do the auto set. I'm down to only 2 more left. Still need the Pele and Ronaldo, but have the other 48. And also just kind of got started last 3-4 weeks on doing the World Cup star sets. Mainly was working on the purple, but trying the blue and red as well. That's a pretty cool set. It's like 49 cards, and pretty much all of them are superstars. Actually, I don't think I have that one, man. I will be glad to trade or buy him off of you. Brazil. I'm not sure. I'll have to look, but I'm pretty sure I don't have him. Aerial Assaults of Tim Cahill of Australia. Yeah, I've been buying those up whenever I can. I mean, some of them go for crazy money, but you know, I've been whatever like purples I can get for like $10 or less, I buy generally. Javier Hernandez and Neymar. I mean, you can't get, you know, like the superstars like Messi and Ronaldo, and those guys are obviously the exceptions. Those guys go for like 40, $50, even the purples. But, you know, your average guys tend to go about $10 to $20 for the purples and $5, $7, $8 for the blue and red. Philipp Lahm of Germany. The ones that have been going crazy are the cracked ice and the gold. Cracked ice seems like they're all going over 100, $150 lately. All right, here we go. Good luck. Let's see who it is on the auto. Really? Well, I'm sure maybe some of you shied away from Holland thinking we can't hit 2 Dutch 2 days in a row. Wow, that is a boom Dutch hit too. It's not just a little Dutch hit. That's a big one. Gavin, congrats, man. Is King Bird in here? I think I saw King Bird in here somewhere. Yep, there he is. Is he in here? He was in here. Oh, maybe he's gone now. He was in here a minute ago. Maybe this guy isn't short printed. We've been hitting him left and right lately. We hit one yesterday too. I had hit one of him, and then we hit 2 in the last 2 days. But he sells really well. I mean, he sells for well over $100. I think 120, $30 last few times I checked. He was selling around 80, 90, but then I think people realized that he's short printed, and he's been going for, I don't know, low hundreds. Ruud Gullit. Yeah, James Rodriguez is definitely short printed here. The very first case I did was there was a James Rodriguez refractor in it. But I can't remember other than that if we've hit a James Rodriguez. I think we might have hit one, but way back when he still wasn't very valuable. And that refractor sold for like $115 before the World Cup started. And then about 2-3 weeks into the World Cup, it was going for like 1,000. I'm sure that the guy who hit it actually sold it for like 115 or something. 9077. Yeah, so far 2 Dutch autos. That's what I was saying. Because, well, you know, Dutch have 6 autos. So, you know, just because we hit one, in fact, we've regularly hit multiple autos of Brazil, Holland, Italy, Germany, all those countries that have lots of autos. You can regularly hit 2 in a case. I don't think I've ever hit 3 of the same country in a case, but I've hit 2, so. Japan, a blue card. Yasuhito Endo. $49 of $199. There's Japan. Who's got Japan? Sarah. Sorry, Dave, I'm not sure if they answered your question. The two autos so far have been Goulet and Schneider, Australia. But that's a Cup Captains, Majid Bouguera of Algeria. That's a Prism. Igor Denisov of Russia. All base. Guardians, Igor Akinfeev of Russia. Yeah, that would be pretty rare if we could get a big Ecuador bang. Luis Suarez, Uruguay. Well, you know, we could always hit like a one-of-one matchups auto, and then not matchups. What is it called? Fans of the game. Paulinho, Brazil, and then you know, Ecuador could win the random. Guardians, Barry of Ivory Coast. Yeah, Ecuador has very few World Cup stars. Sergio Aguero. I've noticed that about Ecuador. They don't have a lot of. I think they have one. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, they've got the Alexander Dominguez. I think has a Cup Captain's card, and then not sure if he has a Guardians card as well. Japan, Kawashami Guardians. But other than that, I don't. You know, they don't have any World Cup stars. They don't have any aerial assaults. I don't think they don't have any net finders, so they're not in. I think the only set they're in is that Cup Captains. Of course, team cards everybody has. Cup Captains, Diego Lugano. Oh, there was a Messi base. Yeah, the Kobe was pretty cool on Thursday. That was, yeah, I think Thursday's case was definitely better than yesterday's case. Yesterday's case was okay, but not compared to the big, huge cases we were having last month. Matthew Ryan, Australia. We need to get back to those. We were pulling Messi's and Ronaldo's and refractor autos and Pele's left and right for about a 3-week stretch there. Valencia and Ribéry, Ecuador and France. So yeah, there's a possible Ecuador hit there, I guess. We've got about a 50-50 chance. Unless you and Mon want to jointly put that up on eBay and split the proceeds 50-50, you know. I'm just saying, you know. Cup Captains, Javad Nekunam of Iran. World Cup stars, Julio Cesar of Brazil. Rafael van der Vaart of the Netherlands. Yeah, I was kidding. You know, that is like a probably get $1 for that card if you're lucky. Whoa ho ho! Now that card you can get more than $1 for, that's for sure. Cracked ice coming up. Got a green cracked ice coming up over there. I don't know what it is, but it's either going to be a World Cup Stars, a Guardians, or a Netfinders cracked ice. Guardians, Guillermo Ochoa. You want it to be a World Cup Stars because the World Cup Stars cracked ice have been selling like crazy. Anywhere from, you know, 60, 50, $60 for like the real bottom of the tier guys up to like $300-400 for the, you know, better players. Ronaldo, Messi, I think. I was trying to bid on a Ronaldo. I gave up once it got to like 300. Last pack. Ivory Coast, Didier Drogba. All right, here we go. First, let's see if it's a World Cup Stars, Guardians, or Netfinders. Come on, World Cup. Okay, well, it's not going to be a World Cup Stars. So it's either going to be a Guardians or a Netfinders. Here we go. Do we see? Whoa. Big hit for Algeria. Underdog hit. Who's got Algeria? Sarah grabs that last country, Algeria. I'm sure you'll get your money's worth out of Algeria today. 15 of 25. I think that guy, is he the, I think he's the captain too, if I'm not mistaken. Or no, maybe not. No, Majid Bouguera, I think, is the captain guy. Yeah, I'm mistaken. But anyway, these green cracked ice, they all sell well. Obviously, you're not going to break the bank with that one, but still, you know, anything green sells well. All right, so not too bad. A Ruud Gullit auto and a cracked ice out of our first 2 boxes. Let's hope we can pull the third auto of the case out of box 6. That's most of the times that's how it works. You get 3 in the top row and 3 in the bottom row, but every now and then you get a 2 and a 4. 9080, and this is box number 6. That is a really bad 6, but that's what that was supposed to be. All right, let's hope for something big. There's a blue. Go. It is João Moutinho of Portugal. Who's got Portugal? Jaime has Portugal. Give me 1 second, guys. I don't know what that ruckus is in here. Sorry, something was making a lot of noise out there. So far, it's been a Netherlands case. We haven't Landon Donovan. As far as autos go, both autos have been Netherlands autos. Arjen Robben and Philip Lahm, Netherlands and Germany. Yeah, I haven't had any good hits for Germany. We got to come through here for, I know Vincent's watching again, but hopefully we can come through with some nice German hits too. Cup captains, Lucas Neal, Cristiano Ronaldo, Mario Kempes. Yeah, I was trying to bid on a Neymar cracked dice. It's at 152 with 5 minutes left, so we'll see where it ends up. It's actually not a horrible deal considering what they've been selling for. Per Mertzacker of Germany. There you go. Little hit for Vincent there. Honduras, team card. Come on, auto number 3. Jackson Martinez of Colombia. Yeah, and those of you watching that are participating in the eBay breaks, I do try to add you onto the mailing list and let you know of future case breaks. Guardians, Jasper Cillessen. Generally, prices are much lower if you join my breaks just directly through PayPal. eBay, PayPal together, they charge about 13-14%, and anyway, I can give you a lot better deals coming directly through the site. Eden Zeko World Cup Stars. We tend to mostly do draft breaks, which are a lot of fun because you get to actually draft your teams before the break, and usually we'll do 90% of the time they're 8-spot breaks, and each spot will draft 4 teams. Arturo Vidal. We may or may not do one of those tonight. I'm not sure. But anyway, if you add up the total value of all the teams, and then you'll end up, like a 3-boxer, for example, is $48, and you're going to end up with 4 teams, 2 auto teams, 2 non-auto teams. So Cup captains, Georgios Karagunis, and the way these teams have been selling on eBay, that pretty much is like one of the top 4 teams alone has been selling for that. So if you end up getting one of the top 4 picks, you'll get that team, and then you'll get another auto team and 2 more teams. even if you end up with one of the lower picks, you'll still get like a USA and England or Spain and Colombia or something like that as your two teams. Radamel Falcao of Colombia. Yeah, a little black Ecuadorian or something for you, Paul. That would be. Okay, it's a red. World Cup stars again. You guys are snapping up all these World Cup stars. See who it is. It is an Italian World Cup star. It is Gianluigi Buffon. Nice hit for Italy. Who has got Italy? Italy goes to Machelli 0771. Matt, congrats on Italian hit. That is numbered 107 of 149. El City, Rio de Janeiro. That one will get randomed amongst everyone. Come on, auto número 3. Nada. World Cup stars, Jürgen Klinsmann, Deutschland. All base. Bosnia and Herzegovina, team card. Three more packs. We've got to come through with something in these 3 packs. Sorry, I don't know why that's not open from that side. It's a difficult pack. It did not want to open. Cesc Fabregas of Spain. 2 more packs for the auto. Nothing in that pack. We got one more shot at it. Sorry, guys. Just one auto again. That means we should have 4 in those last 6 boxes sitting down there. Anyway, let me do the randoms really quick. Let me set up the randoms before we... Yeah, anybody who was in this break who wants to get a spot in the, if we do the 6 boxes, 6 boxers are, I'll tell you in a second. Okay. Copy. Alright, we only got one card here to random. This is going to get random between all. Sorry guys, I'm having major issues with this camera. I may just have to hold it by hand. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hopefully that'll allow you to see. Okay, there we go. Oh, I knew it was too good to be true. Sorry guys. Yeah, I will. I'm just... This needs to... Okay, there we go. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that. Move back a little. I'm gonna do it 5 times as usual. 1. That's not working. Gotta come back a little bit. That's the first time only. Okay, there we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Give me 1 sec, guys. I will answer any questions you have regarding draft breaks. Russia there was only 1 card to be randomed, and Russia got it. Okay, there's the Mon and Paul matchup. We gotta switch over to the let me switch over to the top bottom randoms. Is that going to Paul, Mon? I don't know, because that's Paul, he is offering that lovely matchups card to you, I believe. Alright, well then let's go on to... Alright, well, I'll give that one to Paul. Thanks, man. Paul, there you go. An Ecuador hit. We got Mexico on top, Brazil on the bottom. We're going to go 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that goes to the bottom. That one goes to Brazil. Next one, we've got Netherlands on top and Germany on the bottom. We're going to go another 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bottom. That one goes to Germany. There you go, Vincent. Like something. Okay, that does it for our eBay break. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me reset the video feed, and I will be right back. And then I've got about an hour, so if you guys, we can fill this right away, then we can do it. If not, we'll have to put it off until Tuesday. So let me shut this down, and I will be right back.